guys, welcome back. We are using the Huda Beauty Foundation in Butter Pecan. Putting it on the foundation brush right there, which is a BH Cosmetics foundation brush. I don't know what that was. Please excuse that. We're gonna make it quick, guys, okay? This is gonna be down and dirty, okay? You know, like Christina Aguilera, dirty. I don't know why. I like to dance. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I don't remember the shade. I just know it's a whole lighter shaded than my skin tone. But we are going in with it. We're putting it all over our face, making it like a Jesus cross. Okay. Then we are going to blend that sucker out. Blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. We are going in with the Banana Dreams Loose Setting Powder. I like to do this right after I put on my concealer so that way it won't crease, because your girl is in her 30s. I'm sorry, your girl is 29, okay? She creases now. Just putting it all over my face where the concealer's at. One man great till they gotta be great. That's not the song I was singing, but you know, it works. Next up, we are using the Kai Brow Pomade, guys. It is Chef's Kiss. It is really good. I'm using the shade Medium Chocolate, which I need to get a darker shade. I just haven't had a chance to, you know, get one. Your girl been busy, okay? This is just me putting on the brow. You're only gonna see one brow too, because your girl ain't got time to be showing y'all both brows, okay? I bitch ain't got time. I love this handy dandy trick I learned from Nicole Guerrero. Bling! Next up, we're using Orange Squeeze Shadow Palette. We are using the pink, well, we're starting off with the yellow shade, obviously. This palette is on sale by a little nifty boutique called Beauty and Bling Boutique on Facebook. Make sure you guys go check it out. Shameless plug there. I'm fixing my camera because I don't know what the fuck's going on. We are using the orange shade next. They are very neon colors. This is going to be a summery look, guys. Here's where we use the pink. I absolutely adore this shade. It was a very neon fuchsia pink color. It was gorgeous. I just blend it all out like so. Then we're going to cut the crease, guys, okay? We are using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer that I used on my under eyes, and we're just going to cut that crease, yo. The reason I roll my eyes like that is to get the specific crease that my lid has. So I have kind of like an overlid going on, like hooded eyes. So I always like to do that in order to see where my crease line ends and my true lid begins, okay? So now we're going in with this peachy glitter shade right here. It is a pressed glitter pigment, so it goes on quite nicely, although it goes everywhere. So please be sure to use a little bit at one time. Don't use a big old glob. I made that mistake and it was not pretty. And then we're just going to blend in the pink all together. Here is where I don't really explain too much. I use some of the orange shade that I use just to kind of my crease, okay? Because we do not want to lose the orange. Here we are using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner, which we're just going to use that to line the half cut crease we got going on. It just gives it an added shebang. Okay, that's me letting it dry. You see me trying to be cute or whatever, okay? Bang. Okay, so that wasn't so perfect, but you get the idea. We're going in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is my tried and true, my favorite liner for wings. Beauty and Bling has sold other liners, but I keep going back to this. You know, just me dancing again, trying to do Lizzo's little TikTok. We are going in with the KK Beauty Brightening Powder right here. I told y'all, a bitch uses a lot of powder, okay? Your girl be oily. Next up, we're going with the bronzer Island Ting by Fenty Beauty. Fenty, please sponsor me. That's an ad. I'm always using Fenty Beauty. Here's me doing the classic duck lips. This is me trying to cover up my papa. This is, this is my super simple nose contour, guys, okay? It's easy. It takes 2 seconds. That's me. But y'all peep my papa doing the wobble. Next up, we're using the Morphe blushes. We are using those two. I don't remember what they're called, but they are gorgeous. Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. We will always be using it. You will always see it in every single one of my videos. OG powder. We are mixing the orange and the pink shades right here for the under eye area. So we're just going to blend this out a little bit, kind of smoke it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Look at me being curt. Yes, this is the Roller Lash Travel Size Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. And yes, I'm still on the travel size. Don't judge me. I'm so okay? I forgot to show y'all my two lipsticks. They are by Too Faced and Lime Crime. And we are going in with the lashes. I'm going to do this nifty little trick as well right here because it'll take up too much time if I don't. Son, it kind of worked. Next up, we're going in with the Jacklyn Cosmetics highlighter. This is probably the end stage right here. And this is the final look, guys. Hey! Make sure to follow all of my social media down in the description. And I love y'all. Peace.